Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a face mask with fabric. The reason why I decided to do this video is to show you how to make it without needle or thread or sewing machine, because not everybody has those items in their home. All you need is a piece of fabric. It could be a do-rag, okay, rubber bands, and if you don't have rubber bands in your house, head tie. If you have a head tie, you can use your head tie. So all you need to do is take your piece of fabric like this, or do-rag, you just fold it in half like that, and you fold it again, okay, like that. You can take your rubber band or your hair tie, you take it and then you put your fabric through the rubber band like this, and you fold it like this. You take your other rubber band, put it through the fabric, and then you fold it like this. You can make for your kids, for yourself. If you have any scarf at home that you don't need, or that you are not using, and then that's it. Then you just put it on. Oops. That's it. If you have any African print, if you like to, you can do the same thing, the same folding. I already made this. I used the hair tie to do this one. You can just tuck in the inside if you like. You don't have to. That's about it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're an old subscriber, welcome as well. Thank you for your support. You can leave a comment, let me know what you think, if this is helpful to you, and don't forget to press the bell button so you can get notifications for any new videos that I posted. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.